There I was, a 16-year-old kid, standing in the rain, watching my childhood home engulfed in flames. The fire mercilessly consumed everything my parents had worked so hard for. A deep, hopeless sadness swelled in me. But in that despair, a spark ignited within me, a stubborn flame that refused to be extinguished. I found myself working 3 jobs after school to support my family. Exhaustion became my constant companion, but I refused to let it consume me. I learned to master the art of patience and resilience. Every exhausting day was a reminder that life owed me nothing but provided me opportunities to climb mountains I never thought I could. Fast forward several years, I've graduated top of my class, earned a full scholarship to a prestigious university, and started my own successful company. All because I refused to let the flames of despair overcome me. Instead, I used them to forge my path, a path defined by resilience, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in my abilities. Now, I stand before you, no longer a helpless kid, but a testament of overcoming adversity. My story is a reminder that we are not defined by our circumstances, but by how we respond to them. So, when life pushes you to the ground, remember to rise, dust yourself off, and use those challenges as stepping stones to your triumph.